lav, pup, sor, vog, wassis, san, ap, vlir, sang, s, u, vom, ap, yam, ak, vlim, ga. K, dan, sa, vlir, sang, s, u, vom, ag, vlim, k, sna, k, ga. Bop, veg, daf, shof, vlim, ga, vlim, ga. Ga, dan, tui, glo, yai, bai, san, ap, vlir, sang, s, u, vom, da, vlim, k, sna, ga. Which is to say, K, BOP for Travelers, Lesson 12. In this lesson, we'll be discussing adjectives. In comparison to nouns, adjectives are quite simple. They have only one ending. That is, number of standard deviations from the mean of that quantity in that situation. For those less familiar with statistics, in general, 65% of things are within one standard deviation of the mean, and 95% are within 2 standard deviations, and 99% are within 3 standard deviations. So you will rarely need a number above 3 in this suffix. As an example, we can take the adjective guff, vow, cud, kit, which means enduring. If we have 0.1 standard deviations, that would be guff, vow, cud, kit, point, ga. That would be either more enduring than 54% of whatever the object is, or less enduring than 54% of such things. That is, of about average duration. On the other hand, if we said guff, vow, cud, kit, yup, 3 standard deviations from the mean, that would be either more enduring than 99.9% of the object in question, or less enduring than 99.9% of the object in question. As in, whatever this object is that you are applying this adjective to, the one in question is probably either the longest lived one you will ever meet, or the shortest lived one you will ever meet. Adjectives come after the nouns that they modify. Some of you may at this point be wondering, how do I know whether it means more than average or less than average? To which I say, you might be able to work it out from context. Then again, you might not. There's nothing in the word itself to tell you. Take, for example, in the name of the language, you have bop, veg, daf, shof, vlim, ga, which is 99 standard deviations away from the average usefulness of a language. Now, 99 standard deviations is so far from the average that it would take trillions upon trillions of languages for there to even be enough for that to make sense. So this is, of course, hyperbole. But does this mean a language which is far more useful than average, or a language which is far less useful than average? Debate on this question continues to this day. have no idea. This has been K Bot for Travelers, Lesson 12. If you would like to suggest a future lesson topic, please do so in the comments below. Next week, we will begin verb morphology. Until then, bye. Like in the name of the language, we have bop, veg, daf, shof, vlim, gavlim,